Okay. For those of you who don't know, I've been having an issue with start on this 2000 Nissan Maxima. We got I know what's wrong. The crank sensor code came on. Oh my god, it works. Go figure. Shut up. So, the camshaft position sensor is acting funny. It doesn't want to start all the time. If you have this problem on a 2000 Nissan Maxima or the 3.0 of the early 2000s, it is most likely the crankshaft position sensor, but if that doesn't do it, then it's the camshaft. The easiest way to test that. Alright guys, you set that to the continuity test, or beeper, looks like the Wi-Fi emblem, and you put one prong in each of those. When you touch them together, they make a beeping, so you know you got a connection. Is you want to test them with a magnet. See, I am limited on hands right now, but this should be forcing it to beep. And it's not doing shit. Oh wait, alright. So this time, the magnet wasn't working, but the end of the lighter, you hear the beeping. I'm thinking what you just saw me do freed it up. There's, you know, up in there, it slides up and down, or senses the metal there. And then I think the magnet might have freed it up. And because the camshaft, the car was not starting. And then this morning it just started. So the sensor was not working yesterday, and then it was working today. So just replace it. This one is faulty. It wasn't working for a little while, and then when I mess with it like this with the magnet and the piece of metal, it starts working again. I don't know. Just replace that damn thing, because you don't want to be stuck somewhere like I got stuck and then have to figure this out on the side of the road. My lights shut off. But yeah, so you could do this with a light too. So if you have a 9-volt battery, you plug one wire into there, one to the light, and then one back to the battery to make the loop. And then you could test it that way if you don't have a multimeter. It's just a lot easier when you got one of these. You don't even need a nice one, just one that beeps when you touch the connections together. I hope that helps anyone out there. If you have any questions, put in the comment. I don't know if I left anything out. I hope I got it all. But this works for any car, any motorcycle, anything with a freaking magnetic sensor, which is pretty much every engine out there.